Welcome to the Grand Canyon's hidden gems where luxury meets legend, and every moment feels like a cinematic masterpiece. If you're craving more than just a postcard view, let me take you behind the velvet rope of adventure. This isn't just sightseeing, it's soul-seeing. First stop, the sky. Book a private helicopter tour and rise above the rim. From this vantage point, the canyon's layers unfold like ancient scrolls. You'll witness colors that don't exist on a paint palette: sunset, golds, copper reds, and deep violet shadows. It's breathtaking, yes, but it's also grounding. Because luxury isn't just about elevation, it's about perspective. Next, hike in style. Join a guided luxury tour that grants exclusive access to Havasu Falls, one of the most sacred, secluded spots in the Southwest. Turquoise waters tumble into hidden pools, surrounded by lush greenery and red rock cathedrals. Your guide handles the logistics. You handle the awe. This is hiking redefined, curated, intentional, and deeply restorative. Then, check into history. I've had the pleasure of staying at El Tovar Hotel, perched right on the South Rim. Think rustic elegance meets presidential prestige. The rooms are a nod to early 1900s grandeur, and the dining, pure gold. Imagine sipping wine while gazing out at the canyon's edge, wrapped in the warmth of a crackling fireplace. It's not just a stay, it's a story. Now let's glide. Explore the Colorado River with a luxury boat tour. This isn't whitewater chaos, it's serenity in motion. You'll drift past towering cliffs, ancient petroglyphs, and wildlife that seem to pose just for you. It's a gentle reminder that nature, when paired with comfort, becomes a balm for the soul. And for a touch of nostalgia, hop aboard the Grand Canyon Railway. This luxury train ride offers vintage charm with modern indulgence. Plush seating, panoramic windows, and curated cocktails as the desert rolls by. It's a journey through time where every whistle feels like a heartbeat echoing through the canyon walls. These hidden gems aren't just destinations, they're invitations. To slow down, to savor, to indulge in nature's grandeur without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're celebrating a milestone, planning a romantic escape, or simply craving a soul-fed reset, this is your sign. So plan your trip now. Book the helicopter, reserve the suite, say yes to the boat, the train, the trail. Because the Grand Canyon isn't just a wonder of the world, it's a wonder of your world. And luxury, it's not about excess. It's about access to beauty, to presence, to unforgettable moments. Subscribe for more travel inspiration and luxury content. Visit my blog, Gallivanting Like a Royal, for wanderlust and wealth wisdom, where every journey becomes a masterclass in soul-fed living. Let's continue our journey into the Grand Canyon's most exclusive corners, where luxury isn't loud, it's luminous. First stop, Grand Canyon West. This is where the desert whispers in gold. Book a private tour to walk the skywalk, a glass bridge suspended 4,000 feet above the canyon floor. It's not just a thrill, it's a throne. You're standing where eagles soar, wrapped in silence and splendor. Add a champagne toast at sunset, and you've just turned a bucket list into a soul-fed ritual. Then, head north. The North Rim is quieter, cooler, and wildly majestic. It's the Grand Canyon's best-kept secret, perfect for travelers who crave solitude with style. Think private lodge stays, curated hikes, and panoramic views that feel like nature's cathedral. Fewer crowds, more clarity. This is luxury for the introspective adventurer. Now let's hike to Horseshoe Bend. This iconic curve in the Colorado River is best experienced with a luxury hiking guide. They'll handle the terrain while you handle the wonder. Arrive early for a private sunrise session, or book a sunset shoot with a professional photographer. The bend itself is breathtaking, but the experience? That's what makes it unforgettable. Ready for something truly rare? Book a luxury guide to drive you through the region's most spectacular slot canyons. These narrow, winding passageways are sculpted by centuries of wind and water like nature's own art gallery. You'll explore hidden corridors, glowing walls, and secret chambers that feel like portals to another world. With a private guide, you skip the crowds and step straight into magic. And when the day winds down, check into the Sky Dome cabins. These luxury stargazing suites are designed for dreamers. Picture this: a glass ceiling above your bed, the Milky Way twinkling overhead, and the quiet hum of desert night. It's not just a place to sleep, it's a place to remember. You're not watching the stars, sleeping inside them. This is luxury redefined. Not just 5-star service, but 5-star soul. Not just comfort, but connection. Not just travel, but transformation. So if you're ready to indulge in nature's grandeur without sacrificing style, this is your invitation. Subscribe for more travel inspiration and luxury content. Visit my blog, Gallivanting Like a Royal, for wanderlust and wealth wisdom, where every journey becomes a masterclass in soul-fed living. From helicopter heights to stargazing suites, the Grand Canyon redefines luxury skywalks, slot canyons, riverside serenity, and 5-star views. Indulge in wonder and let nature spoil you. Subscribe for more travel inspiration and luxury content.